Hey Tax Bros, Tamer here with Tax Nitro, and if you've ever wondered how to create a course or a digital product that you can reuse and resell forever, in this video we're going to cover how Tax Nitro's membership area helps you get there. Let's check it out. So guys, the first thing I want to do is go to Sites and then hover over the membership area across the top. Under the products section is where you can actually start creating courses. Now I have a ton of courses in here that we've been messing with in our demo account, but what I want you to do is create a new product in the top right. From here, you can pick one of our pre-done templates or just start from scratch and build your own. I recommend building your own because it lets you get the lay of the land a lot faster. So we're gonna call this, Tamer's How to Be Awesome course. And we're going to hit create product. Once we're in here, let's cover what's on the screen here. So we have our outline, which is what we're on now. You can go into details to cover some of the logos or instructor headlines and stuff like that. Customize will let you fully customize the look and feel of the categories, the lessons, and everything on the page. And then offers and comments. So offers is how you actually give access to your product, how you give it to a contact in Tax Nitro, and comments is if anybody comments on your course. So you could turn these off or on. Now, next up, guys, let's talk about actually building the course, the good stuff, right? So you have product structure, which is going to be your categories. So you can actually click on create category and call this like chapter 1, how it all started. Right? And then you'll see here that I have a blank category above the one I just created. So maybe I want to pull this one down. I just grab the 3 bars and pull it down, and it allows me to move things around. Same thing with lessons. If I create a lesson inside my blank category and I meant to put it in a different category, I can move it all the way up into a different area. Now let's talk about actually creating lessons. If you want to create a lesson, you can click on the little plus button here and it'll allow you to add lessons, subcategories, and assessments. You can play with all these, but in this video, let's just cover lessons because this is how you actually add your video. So we'll call this, being awesome. And then save it. Let's drag that up to the top. And now let's go edit our new lesson. So we have a video, we have a thumbnail, a post description, and a place to add downloadable files for our students. For videos, you can upload, I believe it's up to 10 gigabyte videos here. It may be 5, I get those numbers confused often here, but there's either a 5 or 10 gigabyte limit, which means you could technically upload hours of video here. So figure out what you're going to teach, go record it, and when you're ready, you can come in here and upload an MP4, WebM, or whatever other kind of videos you want to upload. Let's see if we have a nice video for you guys. Perfect, we have an invoicing video. It's going to upload, and I will say, the faster your internet, the faster that will upload. So if you have really good internet, it should only take up to a couple minutes. If this is like a 10 or 20 minute video, if it's a couple seconds, it'll go fast, just like mine there. Next up is your post thumbnail. We highly recommend using something like canva.com, where you can go in and create a 1280 by 720, pull in an easy template, download it, and then upload it right here. The post thumbnail is what will pop up on the actual picture when they go to click on the course or the lesson in this example. So you can upload that there. We'll just upload something real quick here. I believe I have, yep, there we go, my first tax client. We can just upload our banner and that's what it'll look like. Now let's get to post details. This is where you can explain what you're going over in the video. So you could say, step 1, I was born. Step 2, this happened. Step 3, you want to try out this. You can put in instructions, you can put in links, you can put in pictures, but the bulk of your teaching should be in video form here. Now, the last thing is going to be files. You can actually upload files, and these are downloadable files, so don't put anything here that you don't want people to download to their computer. But maybe you have a checklist or a cool little PDF that you want them to have. In your video, you can say, hey guys, there's a file in this section that you can download. Go grab that real quick because it's going to be super important for the video. Once you have your lesson set up the way you like it, you can hit publish and save. Go ahead and click on the back button to go check out the preview. So now we have 2 chapters or 2 categories and 2 lessons. The last thing you want to check before you preview is what's on draft and what's on published. If something's on draft, when I go to preview it, it's going to load up and it's going to just be blank because I have a blank category with no lessons in it, and I have a published or a category that has lessons in it, but it's not published. So how do I fix that? Let's go back to our editor and make sure that chapter 1, how it all started, is turned to published. Now I will say that you can set things to lock or drip mode. Locked is going to say, hey, you can't do anything in this category until you finish a certain lesson or a different category. That kind of forces people to progress in the correct order. Or you could drip and set out a certain amount of time in days where that will launch. That's a little bit trickier, and I recommend doing a locked if you want to lock your content rather than drip your content out slowly. Alrighty guys, that's all for this video. Make sure you preview your course. You can see your videos here, and you can go through the course and test it out in admin mode before you go in and give access, which, spoiler alert, is what we're going to do in the next video. Alright guys, we'll see you there. Hey tax pros, thanks for watching this video. Real quick, if you're watching about memberships and you just want to skip ahead and get the A to Z 100% how to set up a course or membership guide, go ahead and check out the video listed down below in the description, or at the end of this video, there'll be a little recommended video box and it'll be right there for you. Alrighty guys, have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.